How to exclude folders from the final build. So let's say that you have your project, and here you have prepared some files, some folders, some maps maybe for the future developing, and right now you need to build a project but include only the things which will be used on this certain game and don't use the other ones. So this is very easy to do. You are going to the edit, project settings, then packaging, advanced over here. Then it will scroll down, scroll, and here is the great section which is called Directories to never cook. So here you can set up the folders which will not be used for your certain build. As you can see, I have basically a lot of folders over here because this is the preparation for my future builds, for my future developing. And when I was making the first build without those settings, so my build has 65 gigabytes of the size. And after that, when I removed all of those folders from here, so my final build has only 16 gigabytes. So as you can see, this is the really huge difference, and it helped me a lot. I hope that it will serve also for you. So thank you for watching. I hope that you like this video. If you do so, please give me the like, subscribe to my channel, and see you the next time. So love all of you. Bye bye.